Hello, welcome back tech lovers. Today we are going to talk about an essential gadget that keeps our devices powered on the go, the power bank. With so many options available in the market, it can be overwhelming to find the best power bank that suits your needs. But worry not, because we have got you covered in this video. We will guide you through the important factor to consider before buying a power bank and help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about capacity. The capacity of a power bank is measured in milliampere hours or mAh and determines how much charge it can hold. Access your requirement by considering the battery capacity of your device. For smartphones, a power bank with a capacity between 5000 mAh to 10,000 mAh might suffice. However, if you need to charge tablet or laptops, you will want to option for higher capacities such as 2000 mAh or more. Next, let's consider portability. If you are constantly on the move or traveling, portability is crucial. Look for power banks that are lightweight, slim, and easily fit into your bag or pocket. Pay attention in the dimension and weight mentioned in the product specifications. Charging speed is another important aspect to consider. Look for power banks that support fast charging technologies like quick charge or power delivery. This can significantly reduce the charging time for your devices. Keep an eye out for power banks with the high output current rating, typically mentioned in amps or A. Safety should always a top priority. Ensure that the power bank you chose has a built-in safety feature such as overcharging protection, short circuit protection, and temperature control. These features safeguard your devices and prevent any potential risks. Now let's talk about some additional features that can be enhance your power bank experience. Look for power banks that have multiple ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Some power banks even come with built-in LED flashlights, which can be handy in emergency situations. Finally, to recap, when looking for best power bank, consider the battery capacity based on your device's battery capacity. Prioritize portability on the go use. Ensure fast charging capabilities. Check for essential safety features and explore any additional feature that might be suit your needs. That's a wrap on our guide to find the best power bank armed with this knowledge. You are now equipped to make an informed decision. Remember to read reviews, compare products, and choose a reputable brand for reliability. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech related content. Stay powered up, and until the next time, take care.